Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add reviews to your Shopify store. So let's begin. First thing, when you are on your Shopify homepage, you want to navigate to the left corner here and you want to click apps. Now here in apps, you want to go to recommended apps. And then here you will click find more apps in the Shopify store. So we're going to click this button and this will redirect us to the Shopify App Store. Here in the search apps bar, type in LOOX and hit search. Here, the first app you will find is Luke's Product Reviews and Photos. Click on it and add app. Note that this app starts at $9.99 a month with a 14-day free trial. So you can start using this app for 14 days. If you like it, you can continue. If you don't like it, you can just delete it and you won't be charged. So just click add app. On the next page, it will ask you to confirm that you would like to add this app. So you just simply click install app. And then on the next page, you can just simply use Luke's free. Click this button right here. So you don't actually need to choose any plan and you don't need to pay anything for the next 13 days. So let's just get started. We can just click skip because we don't need anything of this. If you want to customize these things, you can do so and go ahead, but I'm just going to skip for now because this is not the important part. So let's actually now take a look at how we import the reviews to our Shopify store. So first things, once you're in Luke's, click import reviews. And here you want to drag this button to your tabs. So right here, you just have your tabs here. You drag it to your tabs and right there, you're going to have import to Luke's tab. Great. So now once you find your product on AliExpress from which you want to import the reviews, let's say I want to import from here. I simply now on this AliExpress page, click on import to Luke's tab. I'm gonna import to the selected product, so it's a dog collar, and then you can on the free version decide whether you want to import 20 reviews or 100. Let's say I want to review 100 reviews, and you can choose the ratings. Let's say I want to do 4 stars and up. I want to import only from the United States, and I want to translate everything to English. Here you have fetch most recent reviews, so let's do that. Only reviews with photos, for example, and import variant information. I'm not going to choose this. So I'm just going to click preview and import. And you can see it found us one review from July 26, 2020. Now you just click import. So now we have another one, so you can click more. And you can just keep adding them one by one, just like this. Yeah, and there we have it, import completed. And now if we check back onto our Shopify products, so if we just click preview on online store, we will see that on our product page, if we scroll it to the bottom, we will have the reviews for this product right here. So this is how you add reviews to your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.